Why in the world would Apple and Tesla decide to split now? Why would they decide to split now? Because it's perfect.
Bear gang till I die, ho. Swooped up the homies and we about to start a sideshow.
There are so many stocks splitting now. Why would monsters like Apple and Tesla split? What is the reason why they would split right now? Does anybody know? To justify overvaluation. Okay? It justifies overvaluation. And what do I mean by justify? Okay? No one's going to buy Tesla. Well, maybe, but fewer people are going to buy Tesla at $1,500 than they would buy at $300. Fewer people will buy Apple at $400 than they will buy at $100. Okay? And what do I mean by justify? Not to say, yeah, we're definitely worth that. I mean to bring in more buyers. So people will be like, yeah, it's worth that much. So at $1,500, it doesn't sound justified for somebody to buy. They're like, I'm not going to buy at $1,500, but at $300 they will, not knowing that they're buying diluted shares. Okay? This is literally what they're doing right now. It's literally five head in an inflationary market with a ton of Robinhood or ton of retail traders. It's literally the best option that they can do right now. Amazon doesn't have to worry about it because real investors buy Amazon and people are willing to buy a fractional share of Amazon. But if you take Tesla from $1,500 to $300 and most retail investors don't know how this works, they're going to be like, fucking Tesla at $300? Bro, it was just at $1,500. Fuck yeah, buy the dip, bitch. No, that's not how this works, but it will bring those people in. This is the perfect time. You have this huge new population. You have this giant new, this is the old guard, and this is the new guard, okay? And these guys are dying, and these guys are coming up, and they're all starting to get into stocks, okay? They're all starting to get into stocks. And the thing is, it's like, okay, you've got all these kids who now have more access to stocks. They're more informed. Well, sorry, more informed. They have money from stimulus and unemployment, okay? Because these kids were all working at McDonald's making $7 an hour. Now they're making $50,000 a year in unemployment. Holy fuck. And they don't understand the importance of saving and investing. Now they've got money. I want to buy some shit, okay? Boom. How do we target this right now? Why would Apple choose right now? In the middle of a possible global recession with 30 million people unemployed and a pandemic going on, why in the world would Apple and Tesla decide to split now? Why would they decide to split now? Because it's perfect. 35 million people unemployed. Why would they do that? Because these people literally have more money. Your 19-year-old, okay, college kid who worked at McDonald's making $7 an hour is now sitting at home bored, making the equivalent of $25 an hour on unemployment for the past 3 months, don't know what to do with their money, have no idea understanding financing and saving and investing, but they got Robinhood or they got a TD account, and all of a sudden, oh shit, man, look at all my friends who bought Tesla. Man, if I would have bought Tesla at 400, I'd be fucking rich, man. I'm gonna buy it the next time it dips. Hey, I'm Tesla. Oh, you said what? You would buy it at 400, 500? What's our stock currently at? 1,500? How would we get it to that price point again? I know. Let's do a 5-for-1 split right now. What does that do? It brings it down to 300. Now, all this untapped billions of dollars. Pew, 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 pew. Same thing with Apple. I guarantee you there are people in this community right now, a lot of them, that when Apple splits to $100 per share and Tesla goes to $300 per share, are going to be buying the shit out of it. I guarantee it. And this is exactly why they are doing a split in a time when you would say, this makes absolutely no sense at all. Do your fractional shares split? Yes, they do. Buying before the split is a smart idea? Yeah. If the market continues to go up, more and more people will buy shares before the split because in their minds, they've got remember, a split is just basically making a dollar into change. Okay, so a 4-to-1 split is basically taking a dollar bill and breaking it into 4 quarters. There's no difference in value, okay? But a lot of people want to have those dollars because their idea is that when it splits, okay, more and more people are going to jump on these, and instead of having 4 quarters, it's going to be 4 half dollars. For those of you that are under 18 years old, a half dollar is actually a currency. It's got JFK's head on it. Well, JFK's full head on it, not his like. So that basically means now you have $2 for your $1. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, that's the idea. All right, and what do you mean too soon? It only shows half his head. Okay, so it's an accurate picture. All right, so that's kind of where this is for you guys to understand. To basically break it down is why are these stocks splitting and what does it mean? Okay.